बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। माय नेम इज सजिदा रजा। I am student of class 4. My school name is Faidan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn new syllabus mathematics book 3 7th edition, chapter number 1, quadratic equation function, quadratic formula 1.2, question number 4, part A, intermediate level D3 type question, graded all level for science computer group. Also the book answers and the rules are written. And the question number 4, solve each of the following questions if possible. So how do we know? Either we will get 2 real solution or 1 real solution or no real solution without solving. First of all, I will understood you the help of this trick. This is actually a trick. So first of all, you know the quadratic formula, and this is the part of the quadratic formula. We will find A, B, C value. A value 0.5, B value -1, C value 0.5. We will put value, solve, blah blah things. So answer will come B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Means 1 real solution. Now we'll come to the rules. If B square minus 4AC greater than 0, if B square minus 4AC is equal to 0, if B square minus 4AC less than 0, this our B square minus 4AC is equal to 0 is matches with the rule 2. Look, and it means 1 real solution, means 1 root, means 1 value of x, means 1 answer. Okay, then we'll solve this question. So answer will become 1 root, 1 value of x. So here comes question and we solve this whole blah blah things. So in the last we find 2 roots, but I said you here will be 1 root. You confused? I know. I have a solution for this. You can see same number, same power, same sign, same number, same sign. That's why we call this only 1. You can see we will tell this on 1. So you can see root is 1, rule number 2 proved. Okay, no like, no subscribe, only share.